Western Heating and Air in Orem, Utah. Since 1995, Western Heating and Air have been the trusted heating and cooling contractors in Orem, Utah. Being a multiple award-winning company in the residential heating and cooling industry, we pride ourselves on having a reputation for delivering high-quality services and customer support. As a family-operated business, honesty and integrity are at the core of our. We aim to provide every customer with solutions that suit their home and their pocket. Whether you need a tune-up for your air conditioner, a furnace replacement, general maintenance for your HVAC system, or an indoor air quality check, we do it all and at affordable prices. At Western Heating and Air, we are committed to ensuring your home is at a comfortable temperature, your system is working at top performance, and that your indoor air is safe to breathe. Call us today, 801-682-4840, to find out more about the services we offer and our costs.